Meet RHC Lot Plotter, your fast and accurate way to turn field notes into clean plots, areas, and export-ready files. Type your bearings and distances. Watch the lot sketch itself. Get area, perimeter, centroid, easting, and northing. Then export straight to DXF for AutoCAD. If you are juggling survey notes, spreadsheets, and manual sketches, this app cuts the steps down to minutes. No complicated CAD setup, no formulas to debug. Just enter the data and verify the results. Here is the layout. On the left, the survey data grid. It shows node, bearing, distance, and the computed easting and northing. Across the top, you have the buttons, Add Row, Load Sample, Save Project, Open Project, Print Report, and Export to AutoCAD. On the right is Lot Visualization, a clean scaled plot with labeled edge lengths and a live area tag. Let us add a traverse. I will enter a bearing, for example, north 45 degrees 30 minutes east, with a distance of 25.5 meters. The app instantly resolves the delta east and delta north, builds the cumulative coordinates, and places the vertex. As I add legs, the polygon closes visually. Labels update in real time. The status bar confirms the area to the nearest square meter. Edge labels show segment lengths, so you can verify against field book values or tender limits. One click to print report. You get a professional summary. Inputs, computed coordinates, perimeter, area, and centroid. Ready for drafting? Click Export to AutoCAD, and you get a lightweight DXF file with polyline geometry and text callouts. No messy blocks, easy to style in your CAD template. Under the hood, bearings are parsed in quadrants: northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. They are converted to azimuth, then to delta east and delta north. The polygon shoelace method calculates area. The centroid is derived from the same closed loop. You see what you compute, and you print what you see. Step 1. Enter bearings and distances. Step 2. Confirm the sketch lines up with site expectations. Step 3. Print your report, or export DXF for final annotation in AutoCAD. That is it. Download RHC Lot Plotter today. Turn raw field notes into precise, presentable results, fast. Designed by engineers, built for survey and site work.